Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video, and today we'll be taking a short look at a mouse that resembles a shark, the Logitech M535. The unboxing experience was an interesting one. I'll let you take a look for yourself. The easy to open plastic shell wasn't so easy this time around. Anyways, inside the box you got the manual, the mouse itself, and inside it already, the single included AA battery. Right off the bat we can see that it's very angular, almost like a modern SUV or crossover. Our experience using the mouse has been pretty good. It's a very minimalist and portable mouse. It looks very clean when added to any setup due to its sleek design and the matte finish. We also liked how it's an ambidextrous mouse. Though not useful for us, we appreciate it. One thing that we didn't really like about this mouse is that it does have a pretty cheap feel to it. And for $50, you feel like you can get a better built mouse elsewhere. Another thing that wasn't the best about this mouse is the scroll wheel. When using it, we really didn't like how it wasn't tactile. It was weird because it was a mix of almost being perfectly smooth with a bit of tactileness. Let's just say it was awkward and could have been better. One thing that surprised us about this mouse is that it's Bluetooth based and there is no USB nano receiver like other Logitech mice at this price point. Another thing that surprised us was the design of the mouse. It's oddly nice to look at. In terms of how it performs, the design adds no ergonomic benefit. However, when you're making a mouse this small, ergonomics isn't your main priority. Overall, we can say that we don't really recommend this mouse because the only thing going for it is its angular design and portability. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same as any other basic dollar store mouse. Thanks for watching. If you did, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could drop a like and subscribe, and check us out on our other social media platforms. This has been TechBarn during quarantine, and we'll see you in our next video.